Searching for motorcycle insurance Groton, Connecticut riders can trust for protection on every ride? Nickerson Insurance Agency, located at 711 Broad St Extension, Waterford, Connecticut, provides customized motorcycle insurance solutions. Call 860-440-6363 today to get a free quote. With over 30 years of experience, their team offers personalized coverage options, including liability, collision, comprehensive, and uninsured motorist protection, helping riders stay protected from accidents, theft, and unexpected damage. A common question is, does Connecticut require motorcycle insurance? Yes. Connecticut law requires minimum liability coverage to protect against injuries and property damage caused in an accident. Another frequent question is, what does motorcycle insurance cover? Coverage can include bodily injury, property damage, theft, vandalism, medical payments, and repairs depending on your policy. For motorcycle insurance Groton, Connecticut riders rely on, contact Nickerson Insurance Agency at 860-440-6363 or visit 711 Broad St Extension and ride with confidence knowing you're fully protected.